Hello everybody, it's Montgomery and this is the Colorado door closer. It's leaking. I want to relate this video to the 90BAZ's video, update video on the rack and pinion sliding rail closer. Because if I don't open this, if I open this door about right here, it slams. I'll do that again. See? See? It'll slam. It barely will dampen if I don't open it all the way. See? Just one more time like that, then we'll show you. See? It's like, now if I open the door to about there, all the way, it'll slow down. So I'm gonna need to replace this closing, I guess. See? I can open the door to about where the main arm is barely, part of the main arm is past the door, and it'll slow down. Like that. But if I do open it to about right there, it'll slam. See? One more time. One more time and then I'll be it. And I guess that'll be